Okay, good morning. So for this week, we're gonna have a shorter classwork because we have only 3 days. Remember that on Thursday we are gonna start the Holy Week, so we are gonna be out for Easter time. So during this week, you will watch an Ed puzzle video and answering the questions. The Ed puzzle that we're gonna be watching is about word formation. So I have your names, and I'm gonna have here all your answers. How are you doing with that kind of stuff? It's gonna be quite difficult because the video it is trying to explain the part that we didn't did in the exam because it was too hard. Remember that I quit one of the questions. So it is gonna be about this. I'm gonna show you. It is gonna be about this that is called word formation. So you need to watch the video that is gonna try to explain you a little bit about the word formation, different kinds of words, how can you add a suffix or in the word, or add something to change the word. It is a noun or a verb or an adjective. What do you need to do in each one of the cases? So here is gonna explain you everything, and you need to every minute or so you have one question, and you need to stop the video. Okay, the video is gonna stop by itself, and when the video stop, you will need to answer some questions. Okay, so after you watch the video and answer the questions, you need to do the other part of the work. That is the review of Unit 5 and 6. This in on the pages 72 and 73 on your student book. It is these ones, okay? So you're gonna be doing the whole thing, the 2 pages complete, okay? You're gonna be doing both pages. This is the review of unit number 5, and this is the review of unit number 6. Okay, it's kind of vocabulary, grammar, and use of English. Okay, so this is gonna be all for these 3 days that you're gonna have. Okay, so I hope you have a nice Easter time, and you are having fun with your family. I'm going to share some movies that you can watch on Netflix during this Holy Week, so you can spend some time just listening to some movies in English that I think is gonna be good for your to have a better the word understanding, okay, comprehension, that's the word, to have a better comprehension in English. Okay, so I hope you have a nice week, and if you have some questions, just write me an email.